Most people think luxury travel is a waste of money, but in 2026, wealthy entrepreneurs are turning travel into a legal tax strategy, and the average person has no idea how it works. While most people pay for flights, hotels, and transportation with after-tax money, business owners are learning how to structure certain trips so parts of them may become deductible. And no, this is not about fake business trips. That's how people get audited. This is about understanding how the tax system actually rewards business activity. Internal Revenue Service focuses on the purpose of your trip, not the destination. If the trip's primary purpose is legitimate business activity, it may qualify for deductions. This includes scheduled meetings with clients, attending industry events, or engaging in content creation and business planning. That's why you see entrepreneurs flying business class, attending events in Miami, Dubai, or Los Angeles, and constantly traveling. They aren't always vacationing. Sometimes they're structuring business activity around travel. Now, let me be clear. A vacation is not automatically deductible just because you answer emails by the pool. The Internal Revenue Service demands thorough documentation of a genuine business purpose. Essential records include meeting schedules, receipts, mileage logs, conference registrations, client interaction records, and content production proof. The difference is documentation. That's the part social media skips. The wealthy document everything: meeting schedules, business agendas, receipts, client interactions, conference registrations, content production, mileage logs. Because if the business purpose is real and documented correctly, the rules change. When a trip's primary purpose is business, entrepreneurs can deduct airfare if the flight is mainly for business. Lodging costs during active business days and transportation for business purposes may also qualify. Business meals connected to meetings can be deducted, or Internal Revenue Service per diem rates can be used. That means instead of saving every coffee receipt, the government already has standard daily allowance rates for meals and travel expenses depending on the location. Entrepreneurs can use these government-approved flat rates, which vary by city, making it simpler and often more beneficial. High-cost cities like New York, San Francisco, and Miami have higher allowances. Now, obviously, tax laws are complex and different for everyone. This is not financial or legal advice. You should always speak with a licensed CPA or tax professional. But understanding the framework changes how you see money forever. Because average people spend money emotionally. Wealthy people structure spending strategically. A business class flight becomes a networking opportunity, while a hotel stay in Miami integrates into a broader business strategy, potentially leading to future revenue. The tax code encourages economic activity by rewarding business creation and investment. Wealthy individuals structure their finances through legitimate businesses, routing expenses properly. And the biggest mistake people make is thinking wealthy people simply pay less. No, many wealthy entrepreneurs spend aggressively, but they spend through structures designed around business growth. That's the real difference. The rich don't just buy differently, they structure differently. And once you understand that, you start seeing why certain people seem to live a luxury lifestyle while legally playing by an entirely different financial rule book. Follow for more financial strategies, business psychology, and wealth building content most people never learn.